and they said school counselors can't have their own cameras. Hey, Mr. School Counselor's here, live for each and every one of you. Saying what's up, welcoming everyone. My new viewers, this place is for you as well. What I want to get to today is, summer is coming to an end. And with summer coming to an end, that means each and every one of you are going to be going back to school, putting that work in. You should have been putting that work in the summer, but now you got to put it in because it's fall season. My athletes know about seasons, but now I need you to also be with the mind, with the school, with the papers, with the books, with the pens, each and every high school student. We coming for you. And when I say we, remember, Mr. School Counselor is just a name. I'm just the voice. The brain behind it is parents, other students, admission counselors, school counselors. Any information that Mr. School Counselor gets, I throw it back to you guys. I turnkey the information because it's needed. You know the beautiful feeling it's going to be when you get to go to college or the college or university of your choice and you go debt-free with no student loans? That's gonna be amazing. That's when I could be like, we did it. Not I did it, we did it. Because you're putting that work in. So get ready, because the fall is coming. My seniors, class of 2019, I'm so excited for each and every one of you. You've worked hard for the last 3 years. You got one more. You decide your level of involvement. My juniors behind them, you know how important junior year is. Start prepping now. Sophomores, you will not be forgotten with Mr. School Counselor. I said this before and I'll keep saying it. You have a voice here. You have a brain here. And my freshmen, welcome. Like I say to my new viewers, welcome home. I will be with you for the next 4 years. Any questions you have, keep them coming. That's why Mr. School Counselor exists, because there's been questions out there that parents, that students want to know, and they don't have that information. I may not be in your state, but I am in your country. I am one voice, but I'm speaking to each and every one of you. So I may not be face to face with you yet, because I can't wait till that day I go visiting from school to school. Oh, that will be great. That day is coming. But until then, you'll see my face. You'll hear my voice. And that's the most important thing. Getting the information to each and every one of you to make your college decision process smoother. I want to wish you luck this upcoming year. Keep the questions coming, whether it's scholarship, dorms, essays, should I commute? Ask me. Hard work, discipline, dedication. Again, you decide your level of involvement. So I want to wish each and every one of you the best luck this year. You won't have to do it alone. We'll be doing this together. So keep the questions coming, keep the comments coming. Good luck. Let's do what it do. How'd that go?